Ever wondered how AI tackles real-world puzzles, like decoding a cricket scorecard in a language you don't speak? Let's break down the science behind a groundbreaking study that's testing AI's ability to reason with numbers, text, and structure. So here's the setup. Researchers created MMC RICBENCH-3K, a benchmark that's not just about reading words. It's about understanding them. Think of it like a multi-layered puzzle. The AI has to analyze a cricket scorecard, a table full of numbers, names, and stats, and answer questions like, how many runs did the team score in the first innings? Or which batsman had the highest strike rate? But here's the twist. The same questions are asked on scorecards in English and Hindi, forcing the AI to switch languages while keeping the same logic. Why does that matter? Most AI models are trained mostly on English data. But when researchers tested top models like GPT-4o and Qwen2.5VL on this benchmark, they found a big gap. Even on English scorecards, where the AI should shine, it only got about 55% of answers right. Then when the scorecards switched to Hindi, performance dropped even more. What's the problem? It's not just about translation. The AI struggles with structure-aware reasoning, like understanding how a scorecard is laid out. For example, a question like, how many batsmen scored over 70 runs in the first innings, requires the model to parse tables, compare data, and even know cricket rules. But when the same question was asked on a Hindi scorecard, the AI got it wrong, despite the content being identical. Here's where it gets even trickier. The researchers tried tricks like chain-of-thought prompting, teaching the AI to think step by step, but it still lagged behind. Why? Because the AI wasn't just dealing with language. It was wrestling with numerical logic and visual structure. A scorecard isn't just text, it's a mix of tables, columns, and rules. And when the script changes, like from Latin to Devanagari, the AI loses its grip. This isn't just about cricket. It's a window into a bigger challenge. AIs struggle with cross-lingual reasoning and structured data. The real world isn't neatly divided into one language or one format. From legal documents to financial reports, AI needs to handle diversity. But right now, most models are English-heavy, and that's a problem. So what's next? This benchmark could push AI developers to build models that truly understand context, structure, and language diversity. After all, if AI can't decode a cricket scorecard in another language, how will it handle the messy, multilingual world we live in? But here's another angle. Ever wonder how data scientists crack even the trickiest questions? Let's break down a study that analyzed 1,500 sports-related queries. Think of them as real-life riddles about cricket. Here's the twist. Over 47% were simple facts like who scored the most runs? But here's the kicker. Nearly a third required math like calculating averages, and another third demanded real detective work, comparing stats or spotting patterns. So how did researchers tackle this? They used tools called SQL queries. Think of them as superpowered search commands. For example, to find the bowler with the most wides, the code would group all their deliveries and highlight the top performer. But for trickier questions, like comparing two batsmen's strike rates, the system had to juggle numbers dynamically, almost like solving a puzzle step by step. This isn't just about cricket, it's a sneak peek into how data science works everywhere. Whether you're analyzing sports, business trends, or even your own fitness stats, the complexity of your question shapes how you dig for answers. Next time you see a report with numbers, you'll know if it's a quick fact check or a deep dive into the data. What's the weirdest question you've ever had about your favorite sport? Drop it in the comments. Maybe we'll turn it into a data adventure next. Thanks for watching. If you're curious about how AI learns to see and understand, hit subscribe. And let's keep exploring the future of tech together.